Did you know Jesse Owens won 4 gold medals in front of Adolf Hitler, then came home to a country that wouldn't let him eat with his white teammates? Berlin, 1936. A black man from Alabama steps onto the track inside the Nazi Empire's Showcase Stadium. Hitler is watching. The whole world is watching. And Jesse Owens runs, jumps, and sprints his way to 4 gold medals, dismantling the myth of Aryan supremacy in front of the man who invented it. Then he flies home. Franklin Roosevelt never sends him a telegram. He earns more money racing against a horse at county fairs than he ever earned representing his country. Now imagine a world where that gap never existed, where Owens competes as a full citizen of a nation that actually claims him. Those 4 gold medals don't just embarrass Hitler. They project the power of a civilization that was never broken open in the first place. What does Olympic history look like when the fastest man on Earth runs for a country that runs with him?